how it works. This is the syntax, Unlike if condition, you can put multiple ifs there, but for one if condition, there will be one else. So if the condition is true, control transfers inside the braces and all these statements will be executed. If the condition is false, then it skips, it won't get inside. It goes to else path. In the else path, there is no condition. Blindly, it will execute this. So when else is executed, if condition, if it is failing, then else path will be executed. Okay. If the condition is true, inside if block, whichever code is given, that will be executed. If the condition is false, inside else, whatever code is given, whichever code is given, that will be executed. That is a difference. Okay. Immediately we will run a program on this. You can understand. It may, there is chance for heavy rain today. I don't know. I cannot guarantee the power. Okay. If power gone, we cannot do anything for today.
Okay.
Hope it won't go because it is threatening outside. Maybe chance
Yes.
for heavy rain here. I had another class after this also. Let us see. Did not open. I'll open again. Just a minute. You got like this DOS box.
Yes, sir.
This Apple symbol you got on your screen like this. You
No,
can see on my
no, sir.
desktop. No, which one? Oh, wait.
Apple.
On your laptop. I'll show you that. Wait, just a minute. I'm talking about this one you got or this one you got? MS.
MS.
You opened this one. Okay.
Yes.
You have not installed this one. Okay, you installed. This is also working in my laptop. Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Any compiler, if you are able to execute, no issue. Right. So we'll work on program on if else. Can I accept from keyboard also, no? XY, two numbers, or I'm going to accept from keyboard. CLR, SCR. How do you accept from keyboard? Printf, enter, X. We have done this before, right? Scanf will come. Keyboard means yes or no? Scanf will come or not?
Yes, sir.
So from keyboard, I am going to type. So both X and Y are of type int. For int, what is the format specifier? D.
%D.
Yes. Put comma and then whatever I type, it should reach the address of X. Similarly, printf, enter Y. Enter Y. Got it? Now scanf, it should reach the address of Y, second one. So whatever I enter, let it go to X and Y. Otherwise, this is also correct. In a single statement also you can write. Both you can give like this also. Printf, enter, you can ask like this also. Enter X and Y. X and Y. Scanf. But I am putting in comments. Means this will also work. scanf. Both at a time you are giving now how many variables? Two variables. So 2% days you have to write like this. 2% days. Double quotes and comma. First one should reach the address of X, comma. Second one should reach the address of Y. Like this. This is also, sorry, this is also correct. This is also correct. This will also work. Otherwise, I will put a C comment. You can understand. Multi-line comment. This is also correct. Just 1 second. A call. వస్తున్నారు అసలు రావట్లేదా ఏంటి అర్థం కావట్లే మా పరిస్థితి. ఎక్కడ దాకా వచ్చారు? వచ్చారా? హలో 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 ఎక్కడున్నారు? హలో ఫ్రిడ్జ్ వస్తున్నారు కదా? హలో 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 ఎక్కడున్నారు? వినపట్లేదు నాకు. వినపడుతుందా? హలో హలో జస్ట్ 1 second. I will come back. Okay, right. So this is also correct. Whatever I am giving. In this way also, instead of giving two printfs and two scanfs, you can go with one printf and one scanf like this. This is also correct. Okay, right. Right. So you enter X and Y. Then what is the next story? I want to compare which is bigger. If X is greater than Y, we should printf X is big. X is big. Else printf X is small or Y is big. Simply, is it not? Y is big. This is okay. It will execute fine. So I'm closing here. Before closing, let me give get ch. Always before closing, you can give get ch. And at the top, after variable declaration, you can give clr scr. And now save the program. Let us save the program. Save as. Give some name. Else. It's 1.c. Now let us run this program. It will ask you enter X. I am typing 7. Enter Y. I am typing 9. You know Y is big? Is it not?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So how it ran? Let us examine this code. Let us examine this code. So I entered. It is asking enter X. Immediately I typed what I typed 7 from keyboard. Is it not? From keyboard I typed 7. So scanf is
Yes.
there. Here scanf is there. So whatever I typed, it is going to reach the address of memory location of address means memory location of X. X is of type int. So the format specifier is %t. In scanf, you have to write like this. Format of scanf is like this. First, you have to provide format specifier inside double quotes, comma, addresses you have to put. Here only one variable is there and I am passing 7 and 7 will reach X. Then enter Y. I type 9 from keyboard. Keyboard means scanf. sorry, 9. So 9 will reach the address of y. After that, see, x is 7. 7 is greater than 9. False. So else path is executed. In the else path, what is given? Y is big. That is the answer now. Is it not? Y is big. Fine. But see, this time I am going to reverse the things. X is 9, Y is 7. Got it? X is big. So this time I have gone with 9 here and 7 here. Now, if condition is true or not, tell me. X is greater than Y. Is it true or not?
True.
True. True means this code will be executed. X is big. After that, no chance to execute else. No chance. That's it. But there is one problem. See now what I am doing. 9, 9. What should be the output? Tell me. Both 9 I type.
Equal.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes, yes. What is the
Yes,
answer?
sir.
What is the answer? Tell me.
Equal.
Equal, but equal I have not given in the code, na?
Yes, sir.
Only two options I have given. If true, X is big. If else, Y is big. Where is equal? No question. But
Yes.
if condition is going to fail, no. If condition
Yes, sir.
X is greater than Y is going to fail. So else path will be executed. Inside else path, what is given? Tell me. Y is big is given. Is it not? So Y
Yes.
is big will come. But this is the wrong answer. Is it not?
Yes.
So when third thing is going to happen, if else does not work. Is it not? If
Yes.
third thing is there, what is the third thing? If both are same, see what is happening. I type a 9 here and again I type a 9 here. Now study. X is greater than Y. 9 is greater than 9. False. So
Yes.
blindly it will execute else path. But in else path I have written wrong statement. Is it not? That wrong is becoming
Yes.
right. Wrong is becoming right. That is the
Yes.
problem with this. If else is going to fail. But yesterday, 3 times I have given if, day before yesterday, I think. 3 times if I have given. That worked fine or not?
Yes.
If x is greater than y, that will be executed. Otherwise, next if will be tested. Otherwise, next if will be tested. But unnecessary testing is there. That is another problem. Got it?
Yes.
For this, there is alternative approach. Even for positive, negative, zero also, this is not a correct program. Is it not? If x is greater than 0, I can go with x is positive. If x is otherwise, it will show you x is negative. But where is the question of x is 0? No question. Is it not? Only for true or false, this is okay. But other than true or false, third thing is coming into picture. Then it is not working. Is it not? So alternative approach is there. What is the alternative approach? That is else if. Now see. Now see what I am going to do here. Let me close this. So next thing is, what is the next thing? Else if. That is the alternative for this. So how it works, we will see. Syntax is very simple. See, first you start with if condition. Okay. First you start with if condition. If the condition is true, execute the following set of statements. Else, again you write if, you put another condition. that is true, you can execute these lines of code. Else, without checking blindly, you can execute third one. Got it? See, first it will try with this condition. If the condition is true, no issue, this code will be executed. After that, come out. You need not go for else if and else. But if the condition is false, don't control does not transfer inside. It will go for next one. Next means else if it will test this condition. If that is true, this will be executed. If this is false, go to else and whatever is given in else that will be executed. Got it? That is the
Yes, sir.
logic. Again, I repeat. If true, only true, false. Rende, true, false. If true, what is going to happen? If false, what is going to happen? If true, if this is true, then these statements will be executed. If these statements are false, it will skip this. It will skip this portion. Means it won't execute this. False, na? False means gate is closed. Cannot get in. So here this condition will be tested. If that is true, this part of the code will be executed. If this is false, don't execute this. Else path will be executed. Means this path without testing condition, it will be executed. Got it? See, for one if there will be one else. For one if, one else is there. For another if, another else is there. Got it? Like that. That is else if. We will write one program on that. You can understand. So previous program you can correct with this. I will copy this otherwise. I will make small adjustments in this program. Copy, file, new. Okay, you lost connection in between, it seems. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Hello, am I audible? Hello, am I audible? I don't know whether I'm audible or not. Am I audible? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Okay. Now let
Hello?
me. Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I will make small adjustments using else if.
Yes, sir.
You understood else if syntax I have shown you? Are you there at that time? I don't know whether you are there or not. Else if I explained just now. Else if, not program, syntax.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So I will do small adjustment in this program. Of course, I will delete this portion. This is not required now. If x is greater than y, x is big. Else, see the continuation. Else if, again I am putting a condition. X is less than y, y is big. Now comes else. ఆ రెండు కాకపోతే else. Else, printf both are same. Got it? Both are same. Yes. Else if one dot c is already there. Yes. See, For example, I enter 9 7. What is the output? X is greater than y. True or false?
True, sir.
True. True means X is,
Big.
that will be executed. No chance to go to else if or else. Is it not?
Yes.
If I reverse this, now see. X is greater than y. True or false?
False.
False means no need to execute that.
Else.
You can go to else if. Here the condition is
Excellent.
true. True now?
Yes, sir.
True means y is big. Y is big will be executed. This part will be executed. For example, if I type both 7, now what is the output? If condition will fail, first if condition. Second, else if condition will also fail or not.
Yes, sir.
So obviously the third choice is without testing blindly it will execute. Both are
Else.
same.
Same.
Both are same. Yes. Now we will run this. You can see 9 7. X is big. True. Next time.
Yes, sir.
Next time. 7 9. Y is big. What about the third case? 7 7. Both are same. It's working fine. For positive, negative, or 0 also you can try. I'll change this code. You can understand that. Copy, file, new, paste it. But little change in the code. How do you test whether a given number is positive or negative or 0? If x is greater than 0, it is positive. If x is less than 0, it is negative. Else both are else x is 0. I'll change that y also. Wait. X is 0. Now what I have to change? Y is not required now in this program. I have deleted. Only x is enough. Here also y unnecessary. I can delete this. Done? Will it work? See? For example, I typed 7. Only one variable is there, that is x. I typed x7 from keyboard. 7 will reach the address of x. X is greater than 0. True or false? Not big. If it is greater than 0, x is positive. If it is less than 0, x is negative. Otherwise, x is 0. So if I give 7, what is the output? What is the output for this?
X is
Hello?
greater than 0.
X is
X
positive.
greater than
X
yes,
is positive. Greater
positive.
than 0 means positive. If I give
Yes.
minus 7, if condition will
Negative.
fail, na? First if condition will fail or not.
Yes.
So next if
Yes, sir.
condition will be executed successfully. This condition is true. X is less than 0. So the output is y is, sorry, not y, x. I have to give x.
Negative.
X is negative. If I give 0, what is the output? If condition will fail, else if will also fail. Eventually, last else path will be executed. That is both are same.
Yes.
X7. Oh, enter y. Why it is? Oh, it is modified again. Okay, just a minute. Oh, again, previous program came. Oh, I changed it, but it has not taken place, it seems. Let me do it one more time. Edit, copy, file, new, edit, paste it. Right. Now I have to change the code. How to change the code? In place of y, x, and then these steps are not required. For y, x is greater than 0, x is positive, then x is less than 0, x is negative, otherwise x is 0. As else 3 dot c. Right. Now let us run this. Enter x 7. Positive, true. Only if is
Yes, sir.
executed. Minus 7, y is negative. Fine, it is working. 0, x is 0. Great. That's how else if is going to work. So next one is a bit difficult one. Carefully you have to listen. Nested if. Nested if is the last one in decision making instructions. You can take decisions in these many ways. Nested if. One if inside another if is nested if. If inside another if is nested if. If inside another if is nested if. Syntax, how it looks. Syntax is like this. Very big syntax will be there for this. First, you start with if condition, like this. Okay. If true, get inside. Another if will be there. Just like doors, one door is open, got inside. Another door is also open, for example, got inside. Another one is also there. If again a condition here, that is also true, this part of the code will be executed. These statements will be executed. So I can call this as outer if. Outer if. I will call this as middle if. And I will call this as inner if. Right. So to execute this part of the code, how many ifs are to be crossed? First, this condition should be true. Outer if should be true. Then second condition should be true. Then third condition should be true. Then this code will be executed. Okay, just like quarter final, semi final, final, like that. So if somebody came to final, so this became true, got inside. This is also true, got inside, but this is false. Last finals. So second runner up will be there now. Here comes else for that. This is called as inner else. If inner if fails, inner else will be executed like that. This is inner else. This part will be executed. Close another one. What is that I am closing here? Middle if I am closing, because middle if started here, inner if started here, you can see opening brace, inner if ended here. But what about middle if? See, this is inner if ending. I'm putting everything, see here. Inner if ended. What about middle if? Middle if started here. It should end after inner portion. If inner if cannot be executed, inner else will be executed. Then immediately middle if should be closed. Middle if. When once middle if is closed, immediately middle else should start. Is it not? This is middle else started. Middle else. This is a bit confusing, but you can understand slowly. Else will be executed. And here I have to close outer if also. This is the closing for outer if. Outer if closed. So that what should start? Outer else should start. Is it not? This is outer else. Outer else. Some statements in outer else. So how to understand this? I will explain. See, first let us start from here. If first condition is true, oh, where is that? Where is that? Not that. Nested if. Where is that? Here it is. Yeah. So first outer if, outer side door is open. True. True means true. Got inside. This is also true. Got inside. So we are at inner if. So if inner if is also true, this code will be executed. This code will be executed. Okay. And then control comes outside after executing. So inner if is successful here. But if this condition is false, so means what is the meaning of that? If this condition is false, inner if fails, control transfers to looks for inner else. Where is inner else? Right after the closing brace of inner if. Inner else starts. This code will be executed. Only when inner if fails, inner else will be executed. So if the condition is true, inner if will be executed. If the condition is false, inner else will be executed. Right. But if middle if is itself is false, outer if is true, got inside. But if middle f is false, so where is middle f closed? Here is middle f closed. So control cannot get inside this part of the code because middle if is false now. This is opening for middle if. Inside inner if is there, inner else is there. You have to cross all these things. Then you cannot, I mean, compiler cannot touch all these areas because closed now. Condition false. Cannot get inside this area, this region. So middle else, because middle if failed, is it not? Middle if failed. So middle else will be executed. Middle else means this portion will be executed, right? But outer if itself is false. Where is outer if? Here is the outer if. Outer if itself is false. Outer if started here. Where it is closed, we have to search for that. Right after middle, right after middle else, outer if is closed. So that outer else will be executed like that. I will design one program, you can understand that. I will write one application, you can understand that. I will take salary here, like into salary, sal, I call it as sal. So I will accept salary from keyboard or something like that. Or otherwise I will give it here itself or okay, or keyboard, whatever it is, no problem. Into sal. And then what I will take, I will go with, okay, that is enough. I will go with net salary, net salary. Two variables I have declared, or otherwise I can write single statement also. You can write like this also. Net sal. This is right. Sal, net sal. This is basic sal. B sal means basic sal. N sal means net sal. Otherwise, I will write like this. You can understand. Net sal. Okay, right. Now see, I will accept from keyboard these salaries. Printf. Before that, let me clear the screen. sal. Keyboard, scan, scanf, percentage D. It should reach the address of B cell. Right. Now starts the if condition. If B cell is greater than not only basic salary, I will enter some more things like age of the employee, and also experience, EXP. That also I will enter. Enter basic salary. Like that, I have to enter another thing also, that is printf enter age of the employee. Right. Scanf percentage D address of age variable. Right. Next set experience. Enter experience. Scanf. It should reach the address of exp variable. Right. Done. Now, if basic salary is greater than, let us say, 10,000, for example. Okay. So, what can I do? Opening brace. If he's also having more age, small employee, but he's having very big age, if he's greater than 50 years age, and he's having enough experience also, exp experience is greater than, say, 30 years of experience, then how much amount he has to take? So let me write tax. His tax is, let me give, I have to declare a variable int tax is equal to only 200 rupees tax from his salary. Okay, so that nsal is equal to, net salary is basic sal minus tax. That is a formula which I am giving, so that I can display his net sal. Net sal is equal to